الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة قالوا ادع لنا ربك يبين لنا ما هي إن البقرة تشابه علينا وإنا إن شاء الله لمهتدون. Translation: They again said, now request your Rabb for our sake to clarify what type of cow she should be, as cows are alike, resembling each other, and if Allah please, we will surely be rightly guided. They asked the exact same question in this ayah number 70 that they asked in ayah number 68, which is قَالُوا ادْعُ لَنَا رَبَّكَ يُبَيِّن لَنَا مَا هِي. So here also the same thing they asked, and they said that they were confused because many of the cows or bulls, were alike and they were not sure. They also used inshallah in this ayah, that if Allah willed, then we will be able to find that animal. And there is a narration in at-Tabari which is a zaif narration, but it worth to be mentioned, that if they had not said inshallah, they would never find the right animal and they will never be guided. But they said it, so Allah gave them more information. In the next ayah, قَالَ إِنَّهُ يَقُولُ إِنَّهَا بَقَرَةٌ لَا ذَلُولٌ تُثِيرُ الْأَرْضَ وَلَا تَسْقِي الْحَرْثَ. Musa answered, behold, Allah says verily that she should be unyoked cow, not plowing soil nor irrigating the fields. So from this ayah, many ulama have derived that the meaning of Baqarah is not a cow, it is a bull. Because the cow is typically not used for plowing soil or irrigating the field. It is a bull that is used for that reason. So the ayah continues. Allah gave more description. Musallamatul la shiyata fiha, and it should have no marking or blemish spot on it. So it should be pure in the color and there should not be any other defect in it. قالوا الآن جئت بالحق. They said, now you have brought the truth. فذبحوها وما كادوا يفعلون. So they slaughtered it, though they had no mind to do it. So they finally slaughtered it. But after asking that many questions, the rare fine cow, the bull, when they found, the owner of the bull asked the amount of gold matching to the amount of the weight of the bull. So the same weight of gold he asked, big money, and they had to give it. Now one more thing, we had seen in the previous ayat that they worshipped a calf, and the calf was like this cow, this calf, this bull that they came to slaughter, because it was golden color and they had some feeling about that particular bull. But they did the slaughter finally. And couple of hadiths should be understood here. In one hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, halakal mutanatti'un, that those who criticize are dead. Meaning that asking many questions and going in unnecessary detail is not a good thing. In one hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the Ummat Muhammadi will follow the previous ummas of the Musa alayhi salam and Isa alayhi salam. And so we have to be very careful that we should not do the mistakes what the Christians and Jews have done. Because in these incidences, we should learn and we should not repeat the mistakes For instance, here Bani Israel asked unnecessary questions, so we should never do those. We should never ask unnecessary questions and just follow the commandments of Allah without unnecessary questions. So Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhir dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.